Halo-halo is the most overrated Filipino dessert, and I'm tired of pretending it's good just because it's iconic. Fight me in the comments because I know you're already mad. Let's be real. Halo-halo is just a bunch of random ingredients fighting for dominance in a glass. Beans, jelly, ice cream, fruit, corn, and whatever else got thrown in there. It's like someone opened the fridge, dumped everything into a cup, and called it culture. The textures are all wrong. Crunchy, mushy, creamy, and watery all at once. Pick a lane. Is it a drink? A soup? A dessert? Nobody knows because it's having an identity crisis in your mouth. And don't even get me started on how it gets all watery and sad after 3 minutes. You're racing against time to eat it before it becomes bean soup with melted ice cream. Mais con hielo? Beautiful. Simple. Focused. Leche flan? Perfection. Buko pandan? Amazing. But halo-halo is trying too hard to be everything and ends up being a chaotic mess we defend just because it's Filipino. Like, follow and share if you're ready to admit halo. Halo is overrated or if you want to defend it in the comments.